turning the tables on death itself by killing a subject placed into a hypnotic trance. Tonight, you shall meet the great Professor Mortimer Mesmer.
Onward and toodaloo. Welcome to Mesmer, y'all. With a beard like that, we could use you.
Yeah, thank you.
Look at this beard. What do we think about him? Unfortunately, this is good, but now you're going to have to deal with Lucinda. Bye-bye.
Oh. Oh.
Do not fear what lies beyond the dark shadow.
Okay. All right. Okay. Bye.
Your body is shrinking his tattoos. But I convinced him that skin has two sides. The outer and the inner. The human body is so limited as a canvas. Our illustrated man
Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello.
Very tasty. Our regurgitator found out the hard way. It will never stop until it does. Let's force on. Never sleeping. Never ceasing. Music is the gateway to the soul. Violet found this to be entirely accurate, as she discovered that the best music comes from the gut self. Each gasp for air is ragged, taxing, paralyzed. Sonia, the snake charmer, plays her melody, the dance of death. You are within the serpent's grasp. Your bones cracking as you swim from your wretched body. To exist. Welcome to oblivion. The power of suggestion bends the mind to extraordinary lengths. Even a simple game of light and stiff as a word can be highly suggestive.
Hello. Hello.
Light as a feather. Floating. Floating. Talk. The ground shifts beneath your feet. Up is down. Left is right. Reality is like a rope. It's such a small rope. Just focus on the rope. Don't mind the mind is caught up. Darkness is the root of all our fears. The absence of light, the desire, the reflection of. When you look into the mirror has a way of looking into you. It is seductive. Your vanity becomes a prison. What is real and what is an illusion? You gaze into its surface, wondering if the reflection break from reality. There are others that display other illusions, all copies of the original. A hypnotist can't make you do something you don't want to do. So
Oh my God.
following my voice. Will not veer from the path. Do you see the door to the right? You will not take it. You will remain in light. So the repetition of thousands of images melding into reality. Who is it that lurks between the frames? Mr. Zoetrope. Beware. Don't stare too long. No.
This cannot be! Red Room! Red Room!
Return to the world of the living. Your world is shattered. A fragile psyche bombarded by discordant images of horror and dismay will eventually